Today, I'm going to show you how to use saved templates in Elementor. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to reuse a page layout you've already created, saving you tons of time instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and click on All Pages. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing pages. Look for the page that contains the layout you want to save as a template and click Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor where you can work with your page design. Now, in the Elementor editor, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Save as Template sitting right beside the Publish button. Go ahead and click on it. This opens a dialog box where you can name your template, type in a descriptive name that will help you identify this layout later. It's helpful to be specific here so you can easily find it when you need it. Once you've entered your template name, click Save. Your template is now stored in Elementor's library and ready to be reused whenever you need it. Now let's walk through how to actually use that saved template on a new page. Head back to your WordPress dashboard and go to Pages, then click Add Page. This creates a fresh new page for you to work with. Click Edit with Elementor to launch the editor on this blank canvas. Here's where things get interesting. Instead of starting from scratch, look for the folder icon in the canvas area. This icon represents the Elementor template library. Make sure you're clicking the folder icon in the canvas itself, not in the widget panel on the left side. Clicking this icon will open up the Elementor library panel. In the library panel, switch to the My Templates tab. This is where all your personally saved templates live. You should see the template you created earlier listed here. Hover your mouse over your saved template and you'll notice an Insert button appears. Click on it. If Elementor asks you to confirm the insertion, go ahead and click Insert again if prompted. Your template will now load directly into your new page, bringing over all the design elements and layouts you previously created. At this point, your template is inserted and you can customize any elements as needed to fit your current project. Maybe you want to change some text, swap out images, or adjust colors. Make whatever modifications you need. Once you're satisfied with everything, click the Publish button to make your page live. And that's it. You've successfully used a saved template in Elementor, making your workflow much faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.